Hi, this is Papa D. I'm working on another project here. I want to do a bucket leveler. If I'd bought one model up with this LS tractor, they would have included it in the package. But I didn't think it was that important. Well, I got to using it, plowing snow and that, and I was digging more than I wanted, so I wanted to have an idea where the bucket would be leveled. It's pretty level now. Here we go. Pretty level now. But the good weather's coming and I want to get things straightened out. Well, I thought I had a little hydraulic leak down there. There's a cover that goes over that. I've got it off. And those lines are tied up. New tractor, you know, you're bound to have stuff like that. I do like this. This is an MT 122. It's around a 20 horsepower tractor, 21, 22, something like that. Perfect size. Jesus Christ. Got a little backhoe on it. You know, perfect, you know, hydrostatic transmission. You know, I really should do an overview on it. But anyways, back to the loader. I want to go over some of the pieces that I'm working on. I haven't quite come up with my final design yet, but this here's where I'm planning on mounting it is right there, one part there, and then come down and mount right on the bucket. Mount another part, and like I said, if I got one model up, I had a quick detached bucket. This bolts up and everything, and that's okay. I don't care. So I'll get pieces off and show you what I have in mind. Okay. These are I-beam clamps, is what they are, and it's okay to borrow ideas from other people. So I bought them. Those are for my bucket. This is the rod. I used one I had on hand. It'll work out good. I'm going to clean it up some more. And then this is a sleeve that the rod's going to go into. Like that, and this will go on a bolt and we'll weld this all together. It'll go on a bolt, but that'll all be welded together. This part here will go on this bolt. Whoop, can't even see it in there. Where are we at? There we are. We'll go onto that, slides over that. And then I got washers just take up the slack. But I'm not sure if I'm going to go with the bigger eye bolt or the smaller eye bolt. This will go in the original hole, like 1/4-inch holes on this. This will go into another, like a hanger hole, 5/16. So I'll show you what I end up with when I get all done. Thank you. Okay, this is Papa D. I'm back. This is my bucket leveling system. And well, it's my design, but I took a bunch of ideas and put it together. I was on the right wavelength. I had a different type of bracket where where this here steel frame was. I like that one better. For a steel I-beam, I like that idea better. Borrowed the eye hook idea. Another guy had washers down here where the not washers but bolts act as a guide. Just not a guide, but the roller on it. He just used what he had, like I did. I said, like I mentioned, I had this rod. Got another one. I bought this eye bolt, this bracket. I had changed that bolt, and I still can get at my grease fitting. And had this bolt here. I bought these washers, these 1/4-inch washers. Bought this other I-beam bracket. And in the little sleeves, I liked these right here. I weld them together. We'll see how it works, but that's the basics of it. So if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And chances are I'm going to bend this. I'm just going to put some black tape on there right now so I can see what's going on. To make it more, give me an idea on the black tape where I am. So that's how I'm going to level this thing. Or I'll be really close. Alright. Thanks everybody. Talk to you later. Please subscribe and thumbs up.